Hey guys, I'm Jake at Field ETV, and today we are showing off our long-traveled Polaris Xpedition. All right guys, so we've had this Polaris Xpedition for a little over a year now. This is its second trip out in Sand Hollow, Utah. And really this video is gonna be about why long travel an Xpedition. You guys are asking us all the time, should I long travel it? Why should I long travel it? And really the easy answer is yes, you absolutely should. And the reason why is because if you're in any type of off-camber terrain or any type of trail riding, you're gonna want stance, right? These machines come a little bit narrow. They can get a little bit tippy with how the weight is distributed. And long traveling it gives you an additional 8 inches, around 8 inches of stance. And that stance and stability means everything for these machines. On this particular machine, we're running Thumper Fab long travel with an MTS spring kit. And it has done absolutely incredible out here. In a few minutes, we're gonna hop in and go take a ride. But I can tell you from my personal experience on my machine, Thumper Fab has been incredible. We sell a lot of other long travel kits for these machines, and all of them that we sell do incredible. I mean, there's a reason that we sell them, and they do a really good job. Really excited to jump in and take you guys through some of the coolest scenery and coolest riding in the country, so you can see how this Xpedition works with the long travel kit. So let's jump in. All right, guys, there you have it. Long traveled Polaris Xpedition out here in Sand Hollow, Utah. This thing did absolutely incredible. I don't know if we got into any obstacle that we couldn't go up. You know, we all know how good these Xpeditions are on the inside, how much comfort there is, but adding that long travel kit gives you just so much reassurance and stability and comfort that you feel like you can tackle just about anything. So if you're trail riding, if you're out rock crawling, highly recommend a long travel kit. If you have questions about what kit is right for you based on, you know, your terrain or what you're doing with the machine, feel free to give our team a call. We're a team of experts, of enthusiasts and riders just like you guys, and are happy to help put you into the right kit, right? We've seen them all, we've ran them all, and we'd love to be able to help out where we can. Or you can shop our website, fueldtv.com. We have long travel kits and a huge range of parts and accessories for the Polaris Xpedition. So head on over there. Until then, guys, we'll see you out on the trail.